Welcome to Rabbit's Barbecue, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're doing a sort of an unboxing. A friend of mine, John, over at Rivet Gardner's channel, he sent me a little message saying he was going to send me a package. Well, I said, sure, send it on over, and he sent me this package, which I had to put in my chair because I'm not going to be able to do everything on my desk. There's like 4 or 5 things in there because I already opened it for time purposes, but everything is still wrapped up in there. I haven't seen what it is yet, so we're gonna just kind of run through it real quick, and maybe, just maybe, well, if it happens to be something food related, maybe we'll make something with it. Let me change the camera view angle around and we'll be right back. Okay folks, welcome back. I kind of got an idea what's going on here. A couple of these bottles don't want to stay upright, but that's fine. Got a couple of tools here. We'll see what Mr. John sent us. Actually, he said it was going to be barbecue related, so that ain't a bad thing. That's a good thing. Oh, that smells good. Just unwrapping that. That's strawberries, or Grand Strawberries Champion Shake on Barbecue Seasoning. That smells really good. Just out of the package like that. Oh yeah, it smells good. What do they recommend we put this on? Just barbecue, I guess. This is made in... It says MD, wherever that's at. That's just where it's packaged, I guess. What is this? This big package right here. What's a jar or something? What is this? This is pure Ozark honey. Oh my goodness, and that's a nice sized bottle there. It's about a quart. Can't wait to try that out. That and that. It sounds like some pork ribs. Definitely use that on some pork ribs. And this is Pando's peri-peri sauce. I've heard of peri-peri sauce. What is that? Is that Asian? Peri-peri sauce? Nando's. Oh, it says Nando's. Or peri-peri sauce. It's some kind of hot sauce because there's some chilies right there, and it says medium. That's another package. I think this plastic. I need to be careful with this. And this medallion onion dressing and marinade. Oh, I bet that's good. But it's Ott's brand. That, I bet it's going to be, all this stuff's going to be good, I bet. Old John said he wanted us to try something from his neck of the woods. And this is original famous dressing and marinade. Original famous dressing. That looks really good. You can see all the spices. Of course, you can see it all on here too. All of these. Well, folks, first of all, John, I sure appreciate you sending these over, brother. Tell your wife thank you, you and yourself, or her and yourself. We sure appreciate it, Becky and I do. And pues muchas gracias, and we'll see y'all next time. I'm gonna leave John's link to his channel. John, man, he be cooking some really good stuff, man, some gourmet stuff over there on his channel. He can do some barbecue, but gosh, he be throwing down on just some good cooking. If y'all want to check him out, y'all go over and check him out. Tell him Mel Rabbit's Barbecue sent you. The links are going to be down below in the about section. And John, one more time, I appreciate it, brother. Thank you for these gifts. We're going to put them to good use as soon as we get a taste test. We might throw a clip in the end of this video of something we come up with. Everybody else, thank y'all. Thank you, John. Y'all be good. We'll see you next time.